What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Meta platforms with the ticker symbol META. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So before I do an analysis, there's a couple things I want to say. This is the Vee Trades schedule that you see on the screen right now. If you have not done already, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below if your stock is being covered. And also, if you're interested in learning more about the stock and what it's doing, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. Another thing is that I get like dozens of chart requests every week. If you have not done already, make sure you become a member to guarantee that I will look at your chart. Another way I would look at your chart is if you leave a donation, and this is probably the best way right here to join the membership. I will look at your charts every Thursday, your specific chart request, and then you get a bunch of other bonuses such as commodities updates, SPY updates, and there's also a couple technical analysis courses on the membership. So here is the daily chart for Meta, and this is a very strong uptrend because price is clearly holding above the EMA and we're moving at a nice 45-degree angle. So this is a healthy uptrend, very strong too. You can see that the price filled in the gap that was created back here in February of last year, just recently, just within the past couple of weeks. And this is a very nice uptrend. So we're finding resistance at the low $300 level because that was prior support that is now being tested for resistance. So Meta is struggling to go past that level because, like I said before, the gap is filled already and we're finding resistance at previous support. Look at this drops that Meta is doing right now. The drops are bigger than practically any time in this uptrend. So this is showing me that there's some bearish price action going on over here because we're seeing some large pullbacks. So Meta is clearly at the channel support or near it. So does that mean we can continue the uptrend? Not necessarily, because we have a micro downtrend in play. So this micro downtrend needs to finish for me to be bullish on Meta. So right now I would be bearish in the short term, bullish in the long term, because we have this very large uptrend in play. So what I would want to see is price, break this up micro downtrend and fail to go lower to signal that price will resume the uptrend. Because right now, if you buy right now, price can continue to drop down lower. So I want to see confirmation that this downtrend is not going to be influencing the price any longer, and it will be the uptrend that would influence the price. So I want to see price get back above this, you could say the 310 level, and hold it. That'll be very bullish. Let's say we continue to drop down lower and break this yellow channel. I still would be looking for longs because whenever you get a break of a channel, there's a good chance we still retest the previous extreme, and the previous extreme is at the 326 level. So a break of this channel, something like this, would still make me bullish. Even if we pull back pretty far down to the 245 level, I'd be still bullish. So as long as we're still in this area, I'd be still bullish. But right now I'm bearish because this downtrend is still in play, and there's a good chance we might even see a break of this yellow channel for lower price targets. So that's why I'm looking at Meta. Just to summarize, overall picture is still up, but in the micro scale, it's in a downtrend. So this downtrend could continue to trend down lower to these lower price targets, maybe even the 244 level, because that was the breakout point that price has not retested. So it could come back all the way down that far. And whenever you have a large uptrend like this, you're going to probably see a relative size pullback. So right now we're seeing a very small pullback, but a relative size pullback, would be something like this size. So that can also occur. So that's all I have for Meta platforms. Very bullish chart, but micro scale is bearish. And that bearishness could continue to drop down price much lower and lower than you think. So here's the weekly chart. You can see that we had basically a V bottom reversal. We just went up as fast as we went down, so that's a V bottom reversal, very similar to what Meta platform does in the past. Same thing in 2019 and same thing in 2020. You can see that when we had the downtrend and we did a V bottom reversal, price never came back lower. So again, this is the same thing that occurring right now. So just looking for a pullback for Meta because it's definitely overextended, it's overdue. Doesn't mean we're going to get that, but it's likely we get it now more than any other time. Because we did fill in the gap and we're finding resistance at previous support. So a break of this yellow channel and would signal that the bears are definitely still winning, but a break of this orange downtrend channel would most likely resume the uptrend once that is played out. So that's how I'm looking at Meta right now. I would not be doing anything if I was gonna buy or sell, because obviously I don't want to sell because it's a strong uptrend. and we're still within the channel, and I don't want to buy because we have this micro downtrend in play. So what I want to see is either the downtrend fail or the uptrend fail, and that would tell me what price wants to do. Right now I'm betting on, or I'm predicting that the uptrend will fail because of multiple things on the chart, and that would pull back price maybe back into the 200s. So I'm looking for lower price targets for Meta. So if this video gets over 100 likes, I will look at Meta next week, Monday, guaranteed. So this is all I have for Meta platforms. Thank you very much. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time. The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now.